The same weird thing happened every time I fell in love. Like, guys would be totally into me, then suddenly, radio silence. My family thought I was cursed or something. Turns out, they weren't wrong. Pandit Bhanwar Lal showed me exactly what was blocking my love life. And honestly, mind blown. I stalked his Instagram every single night for months, screenshots, analyzing stories, being pathetic and lonely. Then my friend told me about astrologer Pandit Bhanwar Lal, so I looked him up. I'm like, girl, really, astrology? But I was desperate. One WhatsApp call later, my whole love life changed. Now I'm genuinely happy instead of crying over some guy who didn't deserve me. If you're in your stalking era like I was, call him at +91 800 36 6331. Trust me.
After reviewing the astrological chart and noting whether the transiting Jupiter is aligning with the natal Jupiter and Venus, the individual may likely seek guidance from a Vashikaran Specialist, also known as a love astrologer. Pandit Bhanwar Lal can provide valuable insights and remedies to enhance love and relationships. Individuals should consider marriage once Saturn has moved out of Aries, as this can influence positive outcomes in marital matters. Additionally, for those concerned about Kuja Dasha, if Mars is positioned in the second house from the ascendant and the 12th house from Venus, it is essential to perform specific rituals to mitigate its effects. Consulting the best astrologer in India, Pandit Bhanwar Lal, can provide effective solutions and guidance tailored to individual circumstances for love marriage. In summary, reaching out to Pandit Bhanwar Lal, the love astrologer or Vashikaran Specialist, can be a beneficial step in navigating relationship challenges and achieving harmonious connections.